Ooh, look at her. You going where? Somebody behind you, babe.
I see.
So yeah, look at my collar. We got so much to catch you guys up on. We are officially in
Good old Lone Star State, Texas.
Texas. We in Texas now, and but no, we're in Texas, and it feels pretty darn good, you know, to be in Texas. New scenery, new smells, new food, new people. Yeah, so we're just gonna be ripping the run today, pretty much. I'm about to say they about to play us, but just ripping and running today. And we got here yesterday, both of us. I flew because he made me, and he drove with his brother. Allow his brother, and me and baby Jean rode the plane. We just got here, but I'm enjoying it. It's nice.
Ain't hit me yet though.
Yeah, it still feel like like you said, it still feel like we're visiting, like we're not officially staying here. Cause last time we came down here for a whole week, right?
Oh, 10 days.
Yeah, whole 10 days. Now we're down here forever. Oh, turn left.
I know.
Oh. So yeah, we gotta rip and run and get our stuff together real quick. So I'm about to head to Chick-fil-A because oh, I love me some Chick-fil-A, y'all.
It's Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. Y'all know I'm from Michigan, so we're gonna call it Chick-fil-A because that's what we call it in Michigan. Or I do, Chick-fil-A. Is this where it go? Look at that big old high school. Like, man, that's not even a big high school,
That's
but
just
that boy
gym.
is.
That's just the gym.
Oh my God, that's just the gym, he said. That's ridiculous. Like, we don't got those nice schools in Michigan. Like, we got the hood school. Shit, we only got one school, to be honest, after this year. All right. Oh, this our first time out by ourselves too, y'all.
This place cool.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right now.
Thank you. Oh, these are nice up here. Yeah, we're gonna be apartment hunting and everything, so we're gonna be busy for a while. But yeah, we'll talk to you later. How it feels to be in Texas, but you like it?
Bathing.